I'm Connor Kirk. I'm the manager of Kyoto Maker's Garage. I kind of came on board with this project last year. They sort of asked me if I wanted to help out with planning the space, so I worked with the architect Benoit who designed the space, and I chose the tools that are here, and I've been teaching the training courses for all of these tools. I think Kyoto has a lot of untapped potential. I wanted to make a space that was a little bit more loose, so people who are doing DIY projects, things could have a space to come and work in a more relaxed environment where they're free to experiment and they're not really like being monitored so much and sort of hovered over by the staff. Right now we're just sort of focusing on building a local user base. I think that's the first step. What we do is not exactly like pro level at all. So we have like very basic tools here. It's a tough business model to actually make work. Right now it's not quite profitable. We're not making money, but I am working on several different plans to be making money at the end of that 3-year contract. The community here is pretty close-knit, and if you go to artistic, cultural, entrepreneurial type events, you're going to keep running into the same people again. People say this all the time, but Japan is all about connections, and it really is true. We have limited space, so in the future I'd like to expand the space and expand the amount of things that users can do. But I think that a space like this also has sort of an important role in the ecosystem of makers and startups.